Okay, let's try this function question I built, and let's just give it a try. Let's see here. We've got a function up here. It says f of x is equal to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. Well, you should recognize that that is a parabola. And the parabola is this thing that goes A, F, C, D, and B. And there it is. The function f is a parabola. You didn't even have to know it. There it is, labeled f. The A, B is, and E are x-intercepts. That green thing there looks like a hyperbola. In fact, here's the hyperbola, g of x. G of x is the hyperbola. It's a over x plus p plus q. Well, you have to know all the different things of a hyperbola. This means a. I know that's got to be a positive number. But here's something interesting. The axis symmetry of the parabola is also the vertical asymptote of the hyperbola of g. Well, that's good to know. And one other thing, they tell us that from g down here at the bottom to f is 6 units, and it's parallel to the y-axis here, so it's straight below, straight above. That whatever that x-coordinate there is, it's got the same x-coordinate up here. That's what they're telling you. Okay, let's try the coordinates of D. Well, what is D? Well, there's the y-axis, there's the x-axis, there's the origin. That's the y-intercept of the parabola. So that's the answer. Just put in 0 and you get 6. But they said coordinates, so write 0 and 6. That's all there is to it. Now the coordinates of C, that's the turning point of the parabola. So what are we going to do? We're going to put in, we've got to figure out what the axis of symmetry is. Oh, wasn't it that minus b over 2a? That's the axis of symmetry. And in fact, that's what we do. We go the minus of b, you see b is minus 4, over 2 times a. A is minus 2. Well, what is that? That's plus 4 over minus 2. That's a plus 4 over a minus 4. The axis of symmetry is the line x equals 1. Whoa, that's good, eh? Hey, that's also the asymptote for the hyperbola later. Now, how do we find the y-coordinate? We take the minus 1 and we put it back into the function in our calculator, and we get 8. There it is. C is minus 1 and 8. All done. Now, the next part, what are the coordinates of A and B? Those are the x-intercepts of the parabola. And what do we do for an x-intercept? We take this f of x or y and we make it equal 0. And then we solve it. Divide everything by -2. You get this nice equation. Make a bracket, x and x. 3 times 1 is 3, but plus 3x minus 1x will give me the 2x. So there's two solutions here. X is minus 3, that's minus 3, and b must be 1. But they asked for coordinates, so you better go minus 3 and 0, and 1 and 0. There's your A and B. There's the first thing, all done.